I'm going to show you guys how to make some fresh semolina pasta dough. If you want to see how I did it, stay tuned. Can Daddy cook? Mm-hmm. Hey, if you like my kind of videos with delicious dishes and great recipes, you might want to subscribe. Hit the bell icon, turn on your notifications, and if you want to, give me a thumbs up. Before I start, I want to give one shout out. I had a conversation with this guy, and I really enjoyed the conversation with him. Rich over there at Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia, the longest name on YouTube. He's got great videos, great channel. Swing by, subscribe, tell him Daddy Cook sent you. If you want a shout out on this channel, all you got to do is be a subscriber. Shoot me some messages back and forth. Let me know you like what I'm doing. And if you have a good channel with great content and I like it, you can just about guarantee you will be getting a shout out. Welcome to Daddy Cooks. I'm going to show you how to make some fresh pasta dough. Pasta dough will allow you to make various different shapes of pasta. What a lot of people don't know is the dough is the dough. If you make long, skinny stuff with the dough, you make spaghetti. You make short and fat stuff with the dough, you make fettuccine. You make flat sheets and stuff it and fold it over and crimp it, you make ravioli. The dough is the dough. What you do with it is what you do, dough. That's so silly. All right, guys. Let's just go into the supporting cast and I'll show you what I use. All right, guys, for this recipe, it's very simple. I use 2 cups of semolina flour. All right. To get semolina, I had to go to a specialty store, a Mediterranean store, but you might be able to get it at a health food store and maybe at your grocery store, but it's hard for me to find. Anyway, 2 cups of semolina flour, 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I use 6 eggs. I use roughly 2 tablespoons of oil. In this case, I use extra virgin olive oil and a pinch of salt. All right, guys. All I did was mix everything together. I sifted it and put it on my counter, and I worked from the counter, and it looked like this. you'll notice while I'm working with the dough, I'm kneading it. The reason I'm kneading it for about 8 to 10, maybe 12 minutes is because I want to build up the gluten so that it gets to be elastic, and that what makes your dough stretchy and firm. All right, guys, you saw how everything came together. That gave me this beautiful ball right here of pasta dough. All right, guys, like I said at the beginning of the video, this beautiful ball of dough can be used to make various different shapes of pasta. You can also dry it. I'm not gonna dry this because I'm going into a recipe. If you dry it, you have to cook it longer, obviously. If it's fresh like this is, and you just roll it out and cut it up and shape it however, you only gotta cook it for 1 to 3 minutes, depending on how much doneness you want, how al dente or not you want it. All right, guys, so thanks for coming. I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe. My girls call me Daddy, and I cook. Can Daddy cook?